Alright, here's another video with 3VT about exercise 54 from chapter 9. It says a slot machine has 3 display windows in a row with 3 reels spinning independently. Each reel has 10 pictures. See the table below. So here we see these reels, right? You can spin them and then press a button to stop them. In how many ways are possible if you have, and then we need to answer some questions. Okay, so let me tell you a bit about this machine. I don't know if you have used one before, but you're gonna turn this and then these things keep spinning and then you get one of these pictures. Now the first reel has no apples on them. It has 1 pen on there, 6 spoons, 1 pair of scissors and 2 books. Now, if you get 3 in a row of the same kind, you sometimes win a prize, right? Here they say what you get if you have a certain combination of these things. The first question is, how many ways are possible to have a pair of scissors in each display window? Now, the first reel has 1 pair of scissors in it, so you only have one option there. You know, it has to be that exact point. But reel number 2 has 6 pairs of scissors on there, so you have a very high probability that you'll get a pair of scissors there. And there's 6 different images that display a pair of scissors that are possible. And here you have 2 of them. So we're going to use the multiplication rule again. So to calculate the number of possibilities to have a pair of scissors in each display window is 1 times 6 times 2. So that can be in 12 different ways. Then we have, on how many ways is it possible to have 3 books? So we're just going to take a look at the thing again here. We have book. It's 2 times 1 times 3. So that's not so hard. We do 2 times 1 times 3, so there are 6 different possibilities to get 3 books in a row. The next question, that's a more difficult one. It says, how many ways are there possible to have an apple, a spoon and a pair of scissors? Alright, so you can see that the apple only appears on the 3rd reel and the spoon only appears on the 1st reel. So the 1st reel must have that spoon and the 3rd reel must have that apple. That means that the pair of scissors must be on the 2nd reel. And there are 6 pairs of scissors there. So the answer is going to be 6 times 6 times 3. So let's calculate what it is. 6 times 6 times 3 is, this is 36 times 3 is 108. So you can have that on 108 different ways. Now, if there were also an apple here, right? Then you have to do it twice. Then you have to calculate, what if the apple was on this reel? How many possibilities do you have then? And then after that, what if the apple was on this reel? How many possibilities do you have then? But this question wasn't like that, so we were lucky with it. Maybe you'll learn that in the future. Question D. How many ways are possible if you have at least 1 spoon in any of the 3 display windows? Well, the spoon only appears on the 1st display window. So yeah, it must be there. It cannot appear on the other reels. So the first one must be a spoon, and the other ones don't really matter because the only thing that we want is at least 1 spoon. So it doesn't really matter what the rest is. So we're gonna have as an answer here, we need to have that spoon, and the other ones don't matter at all. So we have 600 different ways of having a spoon on our display window. So this was exercise 54. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.